Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I will be doing a how to natural everyday glam. This glam is something that you can wear to work, to school, to class, or anywhere on a daily. And I am applying my Fit Me by Maybelline foundation, which is in the colors 330 and 310 mixed together. So I am mixing my foundations together because 330 is a summer color and it is darker than my skin tone right now, and I'm using 310 so that it can even it out and balance out the color. Now I'm going to go ahead and use my new e.l.f. Satin Hydrating Camo Concealer. I just got this from Walmart, and so far I really like the quality of it. It is very full coverage, and this is in the color Medium Peach. So once I apply my concealer, I will go ahead and use my contour stick, which is from Anastasia Beverly Hills in the color Cocoa. I had this for a few years now, and I never switched my contour color, which I'm going to soon. But I usually just line the bridge of my nose, the top of my forehead, and my cheekbones. I don't do too much on the top of my forehead because I have a small forehead, so I just apply it everywhere where I know I want like some high detail points in my face. And I'm gonna go ahead and use my BH Cosmetics 137 brush to blend this out. I like this brush because it's like a flathead, and I'm able to blend it a little better than a beauty blender. Next, I'm going to use my damp beauty blender, which is from Real Techniques, to blend out the concealer I had applied earlier. I had let it sit for a while because I like that when I do this method, I barely have any wrinkles or creases under my eye after I had blended it out.
I feel like I was just on another planet.
For setting powder, I'm going to go ahead and use my Ben Nye Banana Powder. Next, I'm gonna do my brows. I'm gonna use my NYX brow pencil in espresso to do my brows, and I'm not gonna go in full detail about my brows, but if you guys would like to see a full tutorial on how to do eyebrows, please let me know in the comment section down below.
I feel like I was just on another planet.
So after I had did my eyes, I went ahead and dusted off the banana powder that I had let sit on my face while I do my eyebrows. For bronzer, I'm going to use my Too Faced Soleil Chocolate Gold Bronzer, which I had got from TJ Maxx. And I really love this bronzer because it has a nice soft finish to it, and it also smells really good.
I feel like I was just on another planet.
I use my Real Techniques Expert Face Brush along with my MAC Gimme Sun finishing powder. So I usually use this powder to dust off my setting powder. I did my lashes off camera, but now I'm going to go ahead and highlight my face. I'm going to use my Laura Geller Trio Kit in the color Champagne Toast and Golden Gleam. After I finish my highlight, I'm going to go ahead and set my face with my NYX Bear With Me setting spray. This setting spray is 8 hours and is from the NYX new collection. I outline my lips with a NYX matte lip liner in the color Mason. And I also use my NYX Cosmetics Filler Instinct Clear Lip Plumping Gloss. This natural everyday how-to look is now complete. Once again, you guys can rock this look while going to work, while going to class, going on a small date, hanging out with friends, or any small occasion like an interview. I hope that you guys like this video, and leave your comments and feedback down in the comment section below. Be sure to follow me on my socials, and stay tuned for the next videos to come.